Hi guys, Namaskar ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ Yodha ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ AI ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮೆಥಡಾಲಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ IPR ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗೆ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಓದಿ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, first one, define research and explain the significance in engineering. Second one, what are the key objectives of engineering research and how does it motivate, influence the engineering research? Okay, third one, differentiate between fundamental and applied research with examples. Fourth question, how do you identify and formulate a worthwhile research problem? And fifth one, what is the ethical principles that engineers should follow in the research? Sixth one, what are the different types of research misconduct? What measures can be taken to prevent the research misconduct? Okay. Seventh question, what are the common ethical issues related to authorship in research publications? Explain plagiarism and its consequences in engineering research. Ninth one, explain research flow cycle with a neat diagram. Tenth one, briefly explain engineering research process with block diagram. Okay. Next, module 2 ನೋಡೋಣ. So first one, what is a literature review? Explain difference between new knowledge and existing knowledge in the research. Second one, how do you analyze and synthesis help in understanding the prior research? Third one, what is bibliography databases and how are they useful in research? Fourth one, compare Web Science, Google, and Google Scholars in terms of research effectives. Fifth one, what are the key strategies for conducting an effective search for literature? Sixth one, explain the concept of technical modeling. What is the importance of critical and creative reading in research? Seventh one, what are the best practices for taking notes while reading technical content? Eighth one, how should mathematical concept and algorithms be read and understood effectively? Ninth one, what are data sheets? What are the main functions and attribute of citations? Okay, so these are the two modules, so which are very easy. So ivaga third module nodana. Okay, first one, what is intellectual property and how it contribute to economic and cultural development. Second one, explain the role of intellectual property governance in protecting innovation. Third one, discuss the history and origin of intellectual property in India. Fourth one, what are the major amendments in IP laws and acts in India? Fifth one, what are the essential conditions for obtaining patent protection? How do you decide whether the patent an invention or not? Okay, sixth one, what rights are associated with patents? Explain the step by step process of patenting an invention. Seventh one, what are the different forms required for the patent application? How can patent commercialize for business processes? Eighth one, can a worldwide patent be obtained? Explain the process. Okay. Ninth one, what are utility models and how do they differ from patents? So guys, so pass ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಸಾಕು. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 4 ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 5 ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 4 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಪಿರೈಟ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ರೈಟೇರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ obtaining copyright protection? Second one, who owns copyright of creative work? What rights does an author have under copyright law? Third one, explain copyright infringement. Why is copyright infringement considered a criminal and cognizable offense? Fourth one, what is the process of copyright registration in India? What are the judicial powers of the register of copyright? Fifth one, what is India's copyright profile and how does it compare globally? Sixth one, define Indian work under copyright law. What is the joint authorship and how is the ownership shared? Seventh one, define trade work. What are the eligibility criteria for trademark registration? So, eighth question, what are the different classification of trademarks? Who can apply for the trademarks in India? Ninth one, explain the step-by-step process for the trademark registration. Tenth one, discuss the famous case of Coca-Cola Company versus Bisleri International Private Limited. So, fifth module, the important question ನೋಡೋಣ. First one ಬಂದು, what are the eligibility criteria for industrial design protection? What are the rights associated with industrial design? Second one, what are the types of industrial design that are non-protectable under Indian law? Third one, explain the procedure for registering industrial design in India. Why is the prior art search necessary before applying for industrial registration? Fourth important question Bandhu, explain the case of Apple Inc versus Samsung Electronics Co. and its significance in industrial design law. Fifth one, design the term graphical indicators. What are the rights given to the graphical indicators holders? So, sixth one, how are graphical indicators identified and registered in India? What are the classes of graphical indicators in India? Okay, next, seventh one, explain the procedure of registering a graphical indication in India. Discuss the case study of a turmeric patent. So, next, last questions, Bando. Analyze the Basmati patent case and its impact on patent law. List the important forms pertaining to industrial design. Okay, so these are the important questions of all the modules. So, Akasmat need is two questions ಓದಿದ್ರೆ, so I can guarantee you can score very well. Okay, ಅಷ್ಟೇ guys. So, just efforts matter. So, ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ. So, start preparing from now so you can score very well. Okay, so thank you guys. ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಡೂ ಶೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.